Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove phone number from Gmail account. In order to remove phone number from Gmail account, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Gmail account or Gmail application. Once you're logged into your account, it's right over here. Tap the try bar icon from the left hand side bar, scroll down right to the bottom, go to settings. This is going to take you to the settings page. Over here, select the particular account for which you actually want to remove the phone number. So once you're on this page, go to manage your Google account from the top, and it's going to direct you to the Google security page or Google home page. While you're on this page, you can see right on top there are multiple tabs, so click on personal info. Once you tap on the personal info here, you'll be able to see all of your information regarding the Google account. Scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find the phone number. So tap the phone number option, and next page it's going to show you either you can delete the phone number or either you can make changes with your phone number. So once again, go ahead and tap the arrow icon right in the corner in order to be specific. As already mentioned, you'll be able to see the pencil icon or the bin icon. If you want to make changes with the phone number, tap the pencil icon and you can just go ahead and make the changes, and you can just go ahead and make changes, or you can update the phone number. Similarly, if you want to delete the phone number, tap the bin icon. As you've seen it earlier, there will be some sort of verification, so you might be asked to enter in the verification code, or you'll be asked to type in the password associated with your Gmail account or your Google account. And that's basically how you can remove your phone number from Gmail account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.